Student, today we are going to solve theorem 6.4 from class 9 general maths. If a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary, which means student, suppose this is transversal, and in the question it is mentioned that each pair of interior angles on the same side, which means this angle and this angle, each pair, I repeat again, these and these, each pair of the same side is supplementary. Supplementary means 180 degree. So let's have a look how to solve this theorem 6.4. Student, this is the diagram. As you can see in the video, theorem 6.4, this is the transversal and the angles on the same side is supplementary. So students, the given part will be here like this. The given part will be here, students, like this. The given part, now look what I am writing here. Two parallel lines, which means AB and CD, AB and CD, and transversal. So we'll write here now transversal PS, intersecting these two lines, AB at Q and CD at R. So we'll write here now intersecting AB at Q and CD at R. This is a given part only. Now look what we have to prove here now. Look, we'll write here to prove. Now what we have to prove here? According to the theorem, sum of interior angles on the same side of a transversal is supplementary. So we write here now sum of interior angle on the same side. Sum of interior angle on the same side of transversal is supplementary. That is, look here now in the diagram, these two angles are on the same side of the transversal, or if I give here the symbol, so these two side is also the same side of a transversal. So I am taking this part only. You can also prove by using these two angles also. I am using these two angle. Now look, this two angle means angle AQR, which means this angle AQR, and angle CRQ means sum of these two angles. So we'll write here now, student, here that angle AQR plus angle CRQ equal to 180 degree, first one, and angle BQR plus angle DRQ equal to 180 degree. Look here now in the diagram, AQR plus angle CRQ, these two equal to 180 degree, and BQR plus DRQ, these two angles equal to 180 degree. We have to prove that. Now look how to prove this. Look now, student, in the diagram, lines AB and CD, and PS is the transversal. So we can say that angle AQP, which means this angle AQP means this angle, and angle CRQ means this angle, this one and this one, these two angles equal to corresponding angles. First one, I repeat again, AB and CD parallel and PS is the transversal. So angle AQP means this angle CRQ means this angle. These two angles is corresponding angles. Okay, now next part would be for the line PS, we can say that angle AQP AQP plus angle AQR equal to 180 degree linear pair. I repeat again, for the line PS, AQP plus AQR, the sum of these two angles equal to 180 degree linear pair. So students, we will use here now. After that, now look student, proof now will start. Four lines AB and CD with the transversal PS, angle AQP equal to angle CRQ, AQP equal to angle CRQ, corresponding angles, bracket close, and this is our equation number 1. Moreover, for lines PS, which means for the transversal, we can write here that angle AQP plus angle AQR equal to 180 degree. In bracket we will write linear pair. This is our equation number 2. Now look student, after that, look in the diagram first. Angle AQP plus angle CRQ, this is also angle AQP plus angle CRQ. AQP equal to CRQ. Why? Because these two are corresponding angles. And AQP plus AQR, so we'll write here AQP plus AQR equal to how much? 180 degree. If we add these two, AQP and AQR, if we add these two, this is a linear pair, and these two sum equal to 180 degree. Now look after that. Look student, in place of AQP equal to CQR is given here now. So triangle AQP, first one, plus it is given AQR. So in place of AQP here, I may write CRQ because AQP equal to CRQ. So in place of AQP, I can write here CRQ. So we'll write here now from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, we can write here in place of AQP, we write here angle CRQ plus angle AQP equal to 180 degree from 1 and 2. Now look, what is our first proof? Look here now. Our first proof, angle AQR plus CRQ. Look here now. Here in place of AQP, in place of AQP I have written CRQ, okay, but here I will write AQR, not AQP, AQR. From the equation number 2, AQP plus AQR equal to 180 degree, and in place of AQP, CRQ, so we'll put down here. So our first one is proved. So similarly students, we can write here that we'll write here similarly angle BQR plus angle DRQ equal to 180 degree. Students, if we take these two parts, so we can get BQR plus DRQ. Since we have taken these two parts, that's why we have proved that AQR and CRQ. But if we take these two parts, means these two angles, so we'll take BQR and DRQ. Now look after that student, so last line will be here like this. Hence, look here now, hence sum of interior angles on same side of the transversal is supplementary. Supplementary means 180 degree, and this is our proof. We'll write here now, hence proved. So our theorem 6.4 is also over.